Hi, this is David, and we have a new feature called Scenario-Based Dataset Generation, which allows you to create more targeted business-specific tests without ever needing to edit your agent's core description and functionality. And this is super useful if you want to move beyond general testing and simulate how your agents handle specific personas, complex business logic, like customers using slang or emojis to ask about loans, or ensuring agents to adhere to strict compliance rules. So there's three distinct ways to generate datasets: the scan, the knowledge base, and now also this scenario. You'll select the button, then press scenario. And then here you have a subset of all of the personas that you've defined. So the user personas that might interact with your bot. You can select an existing one or create a new one. When creating a new persona scenario, it's always nice to have a descriptive name and also a description, as this helps with the generation understanding. You can then add specific rules, and these rules help evaluate different persona scenarios and will be used for the generation of these different scenarios. After defining a set of rules, we can then add them to the scenario. In this case, we can select our agent. We'll go for the Zephyr Bank multilingual agent, and we can set the number of test cases that we want to generate. We'll start running the generation, which should be relatively quick. And after running the generation, we have our high quality evaluated dataset. So let's take a look. We can see that we have a generated user message that adheres to the persona. Let's generate an answer so that we can actually evaluate your bot's response and see if the rules adhere. Now we've generated an example response. We can also test the evaluation. In this case, we see that the evaluation passed and that we therefore have a meaningful test example. This one specific example can then be used for a specific evaluation dataset and for evaluation runs where you would need to iterate on a high quality dataset. So scenario-based generations are a powerful way to ensure your agent is prepared for real-world user scenarios and personas. They're fully customizable to whatever kind of personas you envision and are important for your department. And by moving from generic stress testing to rule-driven scenarios, you get higher quality datasets that are more reliable for evaluations and ultimately an agent that truly understands your business boundaries.